Hey there. So I was here digging up some stumps, getting ready to make a pathway up to our property from the road, which is back here. You can see the road there. And I managed to pull a tire off of one of the beads on my rear left tire.
Yes, so I talk too much. Let's go change the tire. And forgive the funny outfit. There was a beehive we disturbed and they were swarming around, so we covered up to protect ourselves.
Came pretty well off the bead there. So that's not gonna use one. I didn't notice any punctures or anything. Just see they came off the bead. So yeah, let's figure out there. We're gonna do our best to get it off. It's not 100% though, so I'm gonna have the camera pretty good. Here's my handy tools that I got with me. It's not much. Unfortunately, all I have is a WD-40. I don't have a penetrating catalyst, so that bolt is well rusted on there. There's a nut here that appears to be holding that spare on, but I think that it's welded on to this frame. Which means, here, and I'll show you it here. You'll probably get a better view than me. So I'm going to get up top. It's a little bar that I'm going to try and tap loose. It's this right here. Yes. Oh. All right. So now I'm going to try and get this puppy down. Letting it out little by little. The idea that well, there goes that plan.
With the idea that it won't do that?
Yeah. Well, we got it down.
It's down.
All right. So I had previously loosened these lug nuts a little bit. I'm just gonna pull them the rest of the way off. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Just trying to get the hub rotated in the same general angle. There we go. All right, 1 in. Come on, baby. 2 in. 4 in. Okay. Whew. It's not the type of job you want to do out in the woods. I'm going to do this in a shop with proper tools.
Here I'm lowering the outrigger so I could get the wheel on good and tight, and I noticed there was a little stump under there. I was trying to clear it. I was pretty sure that's what dislodged the tire in the first place.
We're getting close to 40 psi. Once it's ready, I'll pull it forward. There's a little stump under here, which I think is what pulled the tire off the wheel last time. We'll see. I want to clear that stump though, so I'm going to fill this up all the way. It's touching it a little bit. All right, I got the new tire on and inflated. I think I'm clearing that stump. So I'm gonna try and pull it forward a bit and get it out of the way so that I can clear out that stump with the backhoe so I won't do that again.
Right here I heard some old Jeeps coming up the road. Sometimes they go up the north side of the road where there's some good wheeling.
Yeah. Let me get out of your way. Nice, Willies. Yep. I love those. I got a CJ7.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And the coolest truck ever.